Hello everyone. Today, I'll show a useful video, in response to numerous requests from subscribers, on how to set up a different desktop scrolling system on your smartphone. More specifically, many people asked about scrolling the screen in a cube-shaped form. So, what do you mean? Look, I drag, and it scrolls in a cube-shaped form. You can scroll left or right. So, desktops, they scroll in 3D format. So, this can actually be done without any apps or programs, but it doesn't work on all smartphones, but most phones already have it built in, because every smartphone already has its own built-in programs that, for example, change your smartphone screensaver for free, meaning you can change your wallpaper or themes for free. And you can change this scrolling system in the same way. And it has different options. To do this, you need to press and hold your finger on an empty space on the screen. Look, and you'll see a menu like this. Here you'll find a gear icon, which is settings. Click on it. And here are the screen scrolling effects. Click here. And I personally have several of them here. You see, I'm scrolling through them. Well, let's just go through what they look like in order. Look, you can do it like this with a slide. You can do it like this. There's one like a mill. Then we have another mode like a cascade, like a book. And the very last one, what I have now, is a cube. You see, when I click, it scrolls. Well, after you've selected it, just apply it, click the checkbox to confirm, and you'll get this scrolling effect. I think someone will find this video useful. Be sure to support it with a like and subscribe to the channel.